Okay, we have set the names which will useful to us to search, define the search criteria for the second block. After that, we will set other properties like salary, as you know, will be the numeric field. So you can check, change the property. Some other properties like justification on the right side. Also, you can change the data type, will be number for the salary field. And initial value is not required and required also not required. You may define the format mask 99999 something, but we are not going to do this here, and we will change the other two properties, which is date properties. Here we will define the data type date, and the format mask we are using is dd dash n dash. So the date will appears like of 01/01/2001, something like that. So you can check the maximum length to 4, 4, 8, 10, and you can define the initial values dollar dollar date dollar dollar. This will show the current date in this field if you require that. But in this case, we are not doing this because hiring date might be not today. It, it was old date for employees. Now we can put some caption here so user can identify that what exactly he is searching, on what basis. You can use the two options for that. I am using the prompt option here. First name, so it's one date, so I'm putting a date from. Okay, let's start from the first day. You can search any property here. Call first name, last name. So based on these criteria, user can search their data something like within a range for salary, and within a range for hiring date, while first name and last name. Remember, none of these fields are required. If user put only first name, the search our application or form will search the database on first name. If he is putting first name and salary range, then our form will search the data based on first name, then based on these salaries. So we will cover these all in our second step. So you can do the alignment and setting if you want to do. Or if you want to change the fonts and the background color and anything, you can do that. So I am changing the background color for text items, and other the prompt fonts and some more settings. Then I will add a button here. So when we click the search button, it will execute our search and it will show the data. So I'm also setting its properties and the label. So our form is almost ready. I mean our first step is almost ready. Based on these search criteria, when we click the search button, it will retrieve the data on the second step. If you want to do some designing or some framing, you can do it. You can add a frame, set the caption of that frame, and title. Whatever title you want to add and whatever color you want to change. Colors, fonts, and the bevel. Okay, here is it is. I almost done the first step completely with some alignment, some designing, everything. Now it's time to save the data. So please save your form and we will come back and do the second step.